Hi everyone, and once again welcome back to World of Slot Cars and to this amazing project I'm going to share with you today, because I am really proud about this. This is probably some of the best, most advanced work I have done on World of Slot Cars so far. This is two pieces or two models for my upcoming Kickstarter, the Carnival Kickstarter I've been working on for a while, and I'm very proud of how these turned out. It is a carousel and it is a Ferris wheel that will be the centerpieces of the Carnival pack. That will also feature stuff like shooting gallery, lots of spectators, and all kinds of stuff, vendors and ice cream salesmen, all kind of that stuff that needs to be done if you're making a carnival. But I am very proud of these. This is probably the most advanced models in the set because they have moving parts and it's working flawlessly. I have test printed these. I designed them, test printed, found out something didn't work quite as I wanted it to, didn't run as smooth as it should. So I redesigned it, test printed again, and I kept going until I had both of these models that just works perfectly. Everything is designed so it's easy to print, as few supports as possible. I've even made some upgrade possibilities with those small holes down there. Also on the Ferris wheel over here, I see it down there. This is for my, and I'm saying this in quotation, power system. This is for connecting wires through those holes so you can add lights, so you can place spotlights here that will illuminate the model itself, because it proves to be very complex adding direct light in these models. So I thought, why not make that as an option? So you can print these. They are in scale 1:32, so they will fit on a scale 1:32 slot cards rack. And now you can just add the lights through those holes. I'm going to show something more about that later, because right now it sounds pretty weird, but it's going to look incredible when you have some spotlights illuminating these on a dark track during night or evening. And just take a look at the models here. We have the carousel with all of those small kits there. They are also part of the Kickstarter. I will include several models and characters that will populate the entire carnival, making it come alive. And I think this turned out really great. The model itself can be printed on an FDM printer, the small bikes, FDM printer, and so on. You only need to add a very few pieces of electronic equipment that are really inexpensive, and I've used inexpensive motors for running this too. So I'll of course provide a list of all of the parts that's needed. But we have this one, and then the Ferris wheel that was kind of more complex making, but it turned out really great. You can of course choose which colors you print it in. I am considering making a special Halloween theme for October, but right now we'll just stick with this, and then we'll see what comes in the future, because it is pretty modular, so I can do changes and upgrades later. But you can print this in any color you like, and all of the models are designed to be printed on machines with a print bed of 200 times 200 millimeters. So even the large Ferris wheel here can be printed on a smaller printer. If you have a larger printer, you can print this wheel in one go. In a small printer, you'll need to do it in 4 pieces, but it works just as well. I've tested both parts of both things. So I really hope you like these models, because I'm very, very proud of them. So thank you all for watching. If you have any comments, feedback, what would you like to see in the carnival, please post them in the comment section down below. And thank you all for watching, supporting World of Slot Cars, supporting me, and I really appreciate it. Have a great day, everyone.